Hi painters. We're going to try a different way of doing announcements today. I'm bringing you into our folder, beginning painting folder. I need you to check the daily welcome message. I will have something posted in for you every day or every other day. We're on the second week right here, so the next week is always going to be lower. And then I have an announcement for each day, trying to give you a little bit of a focus for your time. And the last announcement for today is here, and I'll be posting this one here. The next thing I want you to check out when you're in our folder or in our class, the previous assignment, if you didn't complete it, is going to help you for this assignment. And this is the project we are on right now. Each project will get its own folder. This week I've tried something different. Each day you've gotten a separate lesson. So if you are just jumping into this now, you want to start doing the project for day one, complete that, submit, and then go to project for the second day, third day, fourth day. This is the last assignment. So the assignment that's posted here today is the last assignment, or it's the last project for this actual assignment. So everything that you've done so far leads up to this project. So when you open it, it's going to give you the bigger piece that we're working on. It tells you the assignment itself, the guiding questions we're addressing, our main objectives. Here are the steps, and there are a few videos to watch to help you on the way, what to turn in at the bottom, and your reflection questions here. So this is everything. The rubric is also listed showing you what I'm looking for specifically in the project. So all of the previous assignments in this folder, amendment project, leads you into being ready to make this piece. So please make sure that you do them in order. If you have questions, you can list them in this discussion board or you can email me. Okay, bye.